Hi there guys, Ben from Outdoor Hiking Therapy, and today I'm going on an adventure with my mate Keith, and we're going to go out and try and find Scouts Falls. It's not too far from my place, but a few kilometres, but it's out near a little town called Glenreagh, and we go down a forestry track sort of thing, and then we'll pull up and we walk up the creek for about 20 minutes, half an hour, about a kilometre or two, to find this beautiful place called Scouts Falls. So it's supposed to be pretty good. The photos look amazing. Not completely easy to get to. It's a bit of a scramble up the creek and across some ledges and stuff like that apparently. So we'll find out. But I'm going to go meet Keith in town and take him out there because he doesn't know where it is. Well, we've made it to the trailhead on Sherwood Creek Road, and it starts just over there, the track. We're just near a little town called Glenreagh, sort of northwest of Coffs Harbour in New South Wales. So, let's go for a walk. Oh, the creek's looking beautiful, isn't it? There's one little pool we've come across. That's beautiful. We can heading up that way, up the side of the creek to the main falls, which is Scouts Falls. But couldn't help but stop and video that. That's beautiful. A bit tight under there. Looks it. I'm thinking to the left. Yeah. They did say it was a bit of a rock scramble. They weren't wrong. Oh, he's done it. My feet are in. Wet feet.
My water shoes.
Water shoes, yeah, that definitely helps. Not such a case for me. Got my Merrills on, but little section going along a ledge. It's pretty cool. Back on a bit of a track again. Oh, I think I might have just got my first glimpse of it. Oh, I did. Just through the trees there. Scouts Falls.
That's right, thank you. Yeah, that's not cold, it's too cold.
The power. Apparently we go up the left hand side of the falls here, so we can get above, and apparently there's a few pools up above and we can go and explore. Almost up on top. Oh, another little.
I'm worried about. It's falling.
It's not the fall that's the problem. It's the sudden stop at the bottom.
Oh, hey.
That's what does the. That's what does the damage. Oh wow, that's cool. Big flat rock over there.
Huh. Oh, another fall.
Another falls there. That's where we were, just down there. Let's go have a look at those other falls up here, I reckon. That is just spectacular. Can't believe I've never been here before. Yeah. It's only not too far from my house, and you know, just can't believe I've never actually been here. So clear. Just amazing. I'm really digging this spot. Now up on top of those little falls. One last look at Scouts Falls before we head back to the bikes. Down the creek. Hopefully they're still there.
Yeah.
Yes, hopefully they're still there.
There's a problem with the bike.
That is one problem with the bike, they're quite easily chucking the back of a ute and gone. And we've made it back to the bikes. Well, that brings us to another end of another adventure. Just a little short day hike, this one. But
You got the ride to do.
yeah, gonna go for a ride back through the forestry, back to my place. So it's a good ride through there too. But as always, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, share the video around with your friends, and until next time, I'll see you out there in the great Aussie bush.